This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Now gas exchange. There are two levels of gas exchange. One is external respiration. This is the exchange of gases by diffusion between alveoli of the lungs and the blood in the alveolar capillaries across the respiratory membrane. Each alveolar wall is one cell thick and very thin and is surrounded by the network of tiny capillaries. The walls of capillaries are also one cell thick. The venous blood arriving at the lungs contain high level of carbon dioxide and low level of oxygen, meaning it is deoxygenated blood. The carbon dioxide diffuses from venous blood down its concentration gradient into the alveoli until the equilibrium with the alveolar air is reached. By the same process, oxygen diffuses from alveoli into the blood. The relatively slow flow of blood through the capillary increases the time available for gas exchange to occur. When the blood leaves the alveolar capillaries, the oxygen and carbon dioxide concentration are in equilibrium with those of the alveolar air. Here you can understand with this diagram. This is alveoli, this is blood vessels. Here this blood vessel contain high level of carbon dioxide which goes into the alveoli, and the oxygen which is in higher concentration in the alveoli goes into the blood vessels. Now second gas exchange, that is at internal respiration, it is at the level of tissue. This exchange of gases by diffusion between blood in the capillaries and the body cells. The blood arriving at the tissue has oxygenated and saturated with oxygen. This creates concentration gradient between capillary blood and the tissue, and gas exchange occurs. Oxygen diffuses from the bloodstream through capillary wall into the tissue, and carbon dioxide diffuses from the cell into the bloodstream towards the venous end of capillaries. Here you can understand by this picture. This is the wall of capillary. This is RBC and blood plasma. Then oxygen moves towards tissue or cell, and carbon dioxide moves towards bloodstream and attaches with the RBC as well as in plasma. In
My
dissolved
student
form.
support system. Keep watching, keep learning.